Welcome to Vancic Maths Kcse 2025 paper 1 section 2, a question on equation of straight lines. This one is a 10 marks question. Remember to subscribe. The question is two lines L1 L2 are parallel. L3 is perpendicular to both L1 and L2. Line L1 passes through points. Line L1 passes through points negative 3, 6 and 3, 9. Determine the gradient of line L1. So gradient, we have change in y over change in x. So you'll get y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So you'll have 9 minus 6 divided by 3 minus 3. Now it will give you 3 over 6. So the gradient here is a half. Then they're saying L2 intersects x-axis at the point C negative 5, 0. Determine the equation of L2. If you are given one of the coordinate of L2, and we know our M1 was a half, so the gradient for the second line will also be a half, since they are parallel lines. They have the same gradient. So since we have 1 point and we can have another unknown point, we can form the equation. So change in y, we have y minus 0. Change in x, x minus 5 is equals to a half. This one will give us y minus 0 over x plus 5 is equals to half. Cross multiply. We shall have 2y is equal to x plus 5. So they want the equation in form of y is equals to mx plus c. So divide by 2 across each term. Have y is equals to half x plus 5 over 2. Then the third part, L3 intersects L1 and L2 at points negative 3, 6 and p respectively. Determine the equation of L3. So first of all, L3 is perpendicular to L1 and L2, and we know perpendicular lines M1 times M2 which will give you negative 1. So the other gradient was a half. If you multiply by for L3, it will give you negative 1. So it means the gradient for line L3 it will be negative 2. And you are given the coordinate negative 3, 6. So you can have another unknown, which is xy. So you shall have y minus 6 over x minus 3 equals to negative 2. This one will give us y minus 6 over x plus 3 equals to negative 2 over 1. Then cross multiply. We'll have y minus 6 is equal to minus 2x minus 6. So you shall have y is equals to minus 2x. Minus 6 goes this side, becomes plus 6. So you have y is equals to minus 2x as your answer. And you are being told that determine the other coordinates of P. So one of the coordinates of line L3 you are given as negative 3, 6. And these coordinates P, we have the unknown. They want that coordinate, and we know that the gradient here is negative 2. So if you take the the gradient, we know that it is y minus 6 over, have this one will be x minus 3. This one should give us negative 2 over 1. So this is y minus 6 over x plus 3. It will give us negative 2 over 1. So basically you solve the upper part and the lower part. So if you have y minus 6 giving you negative 2, it means your y will be negative 2 plus 6, we have positive 4. Then if you have x plus 3 is equals to 1, so now your x will be this side minus 3, you have negative 2. So the coordinates will be negative 2, 4. That's your answer.